I want to show you the Bannerlord Software Extender, which is this mod, Bannerlord Software Extender BLSE, for Mountain Blade Bannerlord, latest versions. And what it does lots of things to help you mod Bannerlord and play it without crashes, and mod it easier, sort the mods easier and everything. So some of the features is it shows you if you have a wrong version of some mod, and also fixes some things, just checking this launcher options here. And this is what I said, it shows you wrong versions, and it sorts the mods like Loot does on Mod Organizer too, like really fast, by how the community says they are compatible. So the entire list is here of features. You can pause this and you can read this too. Like, it automatically unblocks files on launch. You can also start, let's open it and I'll show you. You can also start a save from the launcher, but you need to have the same version of the game as the version of the launcher. I mean, the version of the game has to be the compatible with the version of the launcher, which is this is the game one, and the launcher is this one, Launcher X version 1.24.0. You look on Nexus to be sure it does. Around here in Files tab it says compatible with version 1.1.2, which I have of the game, 1.1.32. Shows a warning for game and engine options for one-time launch. Engine was showing game options. And later in this stream, after we'll play some, I will show you how to install it, because it's not that easy, and how to use it too. And in this saves, in the single player tab, you get news, mods, and saves tab. And in the saves tab, it shows which faction your character belongs to, which what level it is, and also the days of the character, like how old it is, and it also shows the date, the exact date. And to load it, you just need to click and check this box of a save file and just click continue here, which is really cool, and confirm, because this is another launcher version, so I'm playing on a different version, the latest version, but this game here is 1.1.2 version. So confirm, and it should work. Does lots of things to help gamers. Mod the game with many mods, let's say, and be easy to do that. Makes their life easier. Okay, so you should load after this. One comment. Bă, Pluvia, de când nu te-ai mai văzut, fră, David Salvatore? Te-am mai văzut, fră? Stai că nu te știu care ești, da. Și eu pe aici. Fac de mult pe YouTube. Am mai și crescut între timp la vreo 20.000 de views. Am și clipuri cu 20.000. So I have 20k views. Some old fan came here. He said he doesn't see me in a while. So Și mai am și un canal în română, Pluvia Aeterna România. Ăsta a rămas în engleză. So I have a Romanian channel too, which is called the same. Gabi DG. Ah, ok. Bine. Hai că nu m-am uitat la profilul. Mă bucur că ai intrat pe stream, ce să zic. So, it loaded. And this is one feature. If we go back, exiting the game. So, provides game engine options. Respects the community metadata when sorting, enabled by default. Allows a more compact display of the module list. Disabled by default. The launcher checks if zero harmony.dll is present in the main bin folder. If there is one, will prompt the user whether to delete it. The launcher will unblock the DLLs if they are locked itself, enabled by default. Beta sorting uses a new algorithm for sorting modules, tries to respect existing load order when applying a new load order, extends the height of the native launcher window, so you can see mods better. This goes, I think, with a compact module list a lot. Helps you to see lots of mods at the same time. Save subtab shows all available saves. Some metadata plus their load order allows to continue specific save to the import export a save load order. The launcher before 1.7.2 didn't have a way to scroll without the mouse wheel. We added a scroll bar to fix this. So I think the scroll bar is this. I don't have too many mods, so the scroll bar. Yeah, you can click and scroll up and down easily. What else? Enable disable all mods. Checkbox has the ability to enable and disable all mods with one click. That's so cool. Mods. Oh, this one. Really cool and helpful. If you have lots of mods, you enable and disable all of them. You can categorize, I guess. Yep, cool. And I think you can go to their folders from here too by clicking these folder icons. I don't think you can do it in the normal launcher. Anyhow, that's cool too. This is really useful for mod developers. Resort modules button will forcefully reset the module list and force the raw load order list to be sorted. I don't know what's that. Nope, not that. You can search a mod here, I can see. Story. Okay, and it works. And another reset button. Export current load order. Oh, you can export too. Clicking this and import load order. That's cool. Store game engine. Here it has the options in the options and launcher to fix common issues, like the zero harmony DLL being in the bin folder. Compact module list makes the mods tab compact. Disable binary compatibility check. Disable requires restart. Disables launcher's own check for binary compatibility of mods. I think it makes it so you can play more mods if you check this. Hide random image, hides the rider image so the launcher looks more compact. I think this is the rider image. Beta sorting. Use the new sorting algorithm after version 1.12. Disable the old algorithm. Big mode makes the launcher bigger in height. So okay, so the rider disappeared. If you go to mods, it looks like this. But I think it requires a restart of the launcher to work good. So yep. Yeah, you can see mods way smaller now. And it says the load order was resorted with the default algorithm. Birth and death should be loaded alternative. It sorts how it should be sorted for it to crash less. Save files, I can see the save files really good. You can go straight to the save files, which is awesome too. Clicking these buttons. News, you have the news tab, the usual one. Restore game options backup, restore game options backup. Launcher X always makes a backup before saving the first time. This will restore the original files. Launcher always makes the same. Game, you can see the game options and the engine options. You can customize from here all these options: battle size, voice language, attack direction, number of corpses, and all this. I will not read all of them. Autosave interval, anything you want. Show game on, stop game on focus loss, slow down on order, enables voice chat, engine, report damage, report bark. The multiplayer only has 2 of them, but it makes it smaller here too. And you can search. You can go to the folders, clicking this. So this is pretty much what it does. Also, it added our community metadata to be displayed in the hints added in early 1.7.0. Issue hint system. The launcher displays an arrow that when expanded will display why a mod can be enabled. This issue can be a wrong dependency module version, binary compatibility with the current game version. Provides a way to export and import mod lists with the correct load order and module versions. I'll show you how. If a module version is incorrect, with highlight that, it will highlight that. It means, I guess, full support for MO2, which is virtual FS. I don't know what FS means, but it works with mod organizer too, it seems, which is awesome. So let's go and play. I'll show you the installation after. To play it, you have to go into where the game is, bin, Windows 64, and you click bannerlord.blse.launcherx to open the game. To open the launcher, I mean. And this is the launcher. And let's just load the save. Confirm. So I'll go and show you how to install this mod. And if you want to see the shorter version, you'll see the shortest version possible on YouTube of this video. Exit to main menu. And the whole stream on Facebook and Twitch for a while, so you search Bannerlord Software Extender, Bannerlord Software Extender, BLSE, this one with the horse. The requirements tab, you click it, you need harmony, open that up. Yeah, the requires harmony version 2.2.2.162 or higher. So get harmony 2.2.2. Get the latest one. Next gen backend is not officially out, but is stable. Works with version past. Get the latest one. Manual download it. And the mod required. Oh, so harmony is already dependent on this BLSE script extender, it seems. So get this one, install it in the modules folder, mods, harmony. You click modules, you load bannerlord.harmony. Let me see if you can see this good. Okay. and put this in modules. You have to have Bannerlord Harmony. Just drag and drop. I already did it. I have it here. And then you can close this and get the latest BLSE manual download. You can see it's for version 1.1.3 if you have the latest version of the game. My nose is tickling, or what it is called. So get the latest one and install it like this. I have a separate folder here called mods. Click it. It will go bin. If you only have the Windows, the PC game, you go Windows 64. Select all those. You go to the bin, to Windows 64, and you drag and drop all those here, like so. Replace, because I already have them, and that's it. You have this installed. And when you want to open, you only open with Bannerlord.blse.launcherx. This is how it works. You can see it works now. That's pretty much it. You go to these different tabs. If you get this LauncherX version and BLSE and all these tabs, you know it works. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today.